much she paid me for my help?
I think it's a little more complicated than that, little man.
Put me on the payroll and find out. Find out what's up.
Okay, you don't just sign up to be a police officer. It's about 3 years of training, okay?
I'm trained. I'm ready to go. You want to buy some cat to help underprivileged
No,
people?
sorry, little man.
You want to take my statement? I'll perform for you. Gotta get paid, though. Gotta get paid.
Why aren't you in school today?
No school today. My teacher got sick.
Oh, you don't have substitute teachers where you go to school?
Nope. So what they find out in there?
That is confidential information, little man.
Tell me what you know. I'll tell you what I know.
No can do.
Leave this one to the detective. They ain't gonna solve shit. I can help you. Make you the man with the plan. Give you the gift that I flow. Think fast. You wanna know what killed that guy?
Okay, you. Come here.
No.
Come here. You want to disrespect an officer of the law?
I can help you solve the case. I can tell you who did it.
Oh, you're a joker, huh? You tell me jokes?
I'm a rapper.
Oh, you're a rapper. Oh, okay. You got a record contract?
Not yet. Give the clue for the bus if you show me some trust.
Have you ever been to juvenile hall?
I ain't fucking with you.
Hey, watch the mouth. Watch it.
Come on, man. Just watch me. Watch and listen.
Okay.
Presents. With a double ass meaning I bestow. With my riff and my frappuccino and me though. Think fast, kiss me, yo, cause I throw what I know with the resonance. For your trouble ass, feed it in the wind yourself off of the back of the shelf. Jackass, crackers, body stackers, dick two niggas, masturbating your
Hold
shit.
it, homeboy. I don't need to hear that word.
Living to get older with a chip on your shoulder, except you think you got a grip, cause your hip got a holster. Ain't no confessor, so Buster, you better just shut the fuck up. Try to listen and learn.
Oh. Cut it, Coolio. I've had enough with the mouth and the language.
I'm almost done.
Finish it up without the lip.
Check that ego. Come off it. I'm the prophet, the professor. I'ma teach you about the worm, who eventually turned to catch wreck with the neck of a long-time oppressor. And he's running from the devil, but the debt is always gaining. And if he's worth being hurt, he's worth bringing pain in. When the sunshine don't work, the good Lord bring the rain in. And that shit will help you solve the case.
Okay, whatever that meant. I'm sure it's real helpful, Ice-T.
Did you listen to me?
I was listening to you.
I told you who did it, and you're not even listening to me.
I'm through playing games. Be cool. Stay in school, okay? Get out of the street now. Move it.